Luke Michael Howard here, clinical hypnotist and owner of Hypnosis. And now we're living in uncertain times with the coronavirus. And I know a lot of my clients a little bit scared to come into the office. Perhaps they've been self-quarantined. So over the last few years, I've noticed a pattern in general that more and more of my work has been doing work with people online with hypnosis, whether that be over Facebook video messenger, over Skype, over Zoom, or FaceTime, but using some kind of video messaging for my clients back home in England or in the States or in Australia or in Japan. And it's kind of expensive for them to fly over to Toronto for a couple of sessions where I'm based to do one-on-one sessions with me. And what I've noticed, and studies have shown us actually over the last few years, is there's no difference in the effectiveness of hypnosis and change work, whether you do it one-on-one in the same room as someone, or if you do it over a video messenger. So more and more of my work is going in that way over the last few years. But certainly now with this epidemic of the coronavirus and so forth, and people are being advised to self-quarantine and stay at home, yet they still want help, and a lot of them are self-isolating and getting more anxiety. So I just want you to know that a lot of my work, as I said, is online now. So if you can't make it into the office, if you are outside of Toronto, then you can still have help. You can still work with me and have the exact same effects as if we were there one-on-one in person, but yet to be in the comfort of your own home and your own living room, have the safety and security and not having to worry about traveling or anything like that. So you'll be in a place where I can communicate with you, where you feel safe, where you're ready to go and make some changes. So if you've been on the fence, if you've been thinking that you want to get some change, especially in these uncertain times, but for whatever reason you can't make it to the office or you're not in the country, then understand there is still hope for you, and we can still work together over Skype, over Zoom, over FaceTime, or some kind of messaging. So if there's something you're interested in, then please do book your screening call, your strategy session with me, and we can discuss us working together and me helping you to help yourself have a greater life. Always believe.